loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how I achieved this look. It took me like 50 minutes, hands down, to do this install, super grown, because there's no baby hairs on this one. I seen a lot of requests to do how do you prep the wigs before you put them on, as well as seeing the wigs with no baby hairs. So here goes. This is it. I love this with no baby hairs and with baby hairs. This wig can do both, and this wig is actually from Kriyya hair. So they went ahead and sent me a 24-inch 5x5 HD transparent lace closure wig in 24 inches and straight, of course, 180 density. So you know the girl is giving, she's giving thick, she's giving nice, full, natural, and I'm here for it. So if you'd like to see how I did this super quick and easy install, just keep on watching. And before I go, the links for this hair as well as Kriyya's website and everything you need to know about them, their company, will be in the description box. Thank you so much to Kriyya hair for sending me this gorgeous wig, and let's jump into the tutorial finally, so I can show you how to do this, how to get your hands on a Kriyya wig and do this. Okay, she's looking really crazy right now, and this is like just real life of what it really looks like before I start prepping the wigs. Sometimes I'll prep wigs off camera, but today I'll show you guys how I prep my wigs. So right now it's looking crazy. I just need to flatten the top. As you guys could see, once you pull it down, it looks way better. So let's get into all of this. So I'm gonna be using my hot comb. I'm gonna also be using my wax stick, and I'm gonna be using my Kenra volume spray, really as a hairspray to keep this hair nice and flat. So let's jump into this.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my junk.
Are we seeing the difference already? This is crazy. Let's continue.
God for the journey, the earnings, and us for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I do us for the friends that take off with me road. One time did sit up in a class and report that only set the road and me one with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic fire sing, yeah. See me all diggy soon get the higher ring like hello brother. You say I just shot ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes that's the motto. With me the butter pass through your shot. Can't fall in a life man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I do it for the friends we take off me road. One time they sit down in a class and report them only set the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's how I blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story.
Just like that, prep is finished. Literally all it is just me doing the flattening of the hair, doing the concealing of the part, or the illusion that the part is smaller. It is now, because I went in with my black mascara. An alternative is black hair dye, but that's if you have the time to wash it out. Right now we're just doing everything on the go. It's really easy, really simple. I just do like pretty much most of this before I do videos, just so that I could literally just get it over with, and installing would be easier for me or just for you to watch. But a lot of people requested it, so that's my prep. And let's get into installing, doing baby hairs if I think I'm gonna do them, and just straightening this gorgeous hair from Kriyya hair. Okay, so I think I'm gonna definitely go with no baby hairs. So let's do this install process because it's really easy.
That's how blessings upon me, and that's how I made to give him the love. I made the light and don't even nice it. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. This is blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we poured them. Only said the road and we go on with the road. Toast. Yeah. Toast. Oh, in the rise and post. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks and we ain't supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and us for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. See blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we poured them. Only said the road and we go on with the road. Toast.
So if you're watching this, I'm finally back and let's talk about this hair. Let's get into it. So I don't know what's going on with these 5x5 closure wigs, but they're the best. Okay, like hands down, they have the silkiest texture, they have the most shine to them. Like, I don't know if my frontal wigs are giving, like 5x5 closures are giving, or maybe because this wig is like straight or something, but I don't know what it is. But trust and believe, 5x5 closures are it, okay? They are so easy to work with, so easy to style. This hairstyle, as you guys saw, was not even 15 minutes. So I feel like this is so amazing for such good quality hair. The link will be in the description box, and that is it. I don't have any bad tea, no piping hot tea that is gonna burn you, other than this hair is good. Okay, good hair, 10 out of 10. Would recommend to everybody, so definitely go ahead and check it out, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.